Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. This is a little bit over 2 minutes, I believe. I think instead of 1 minute because I was having issues with my tape roller. It kept getting tape all over the place, so it was kind of a mess. So it took a little bit longer. Also, with the pumpkin, the extra shape, it took a little bit longer to make. Anyway, so this is a fall squirrel. He's a cute little squirrel sitting on top of the pumpkin. You can see on the right hand side that is the print and cut version. Of course, you can change the colors of your fall squirrel to when you print it. It can be whatever colors you want it to be. Also, the color of cardstock I'm using is a different color of brown, so it looks a little bit different, but still turns out cute. The paper you see on the table is called Sweater Weather. You can find that on MissKateCuttables.com and on Amazon. It's a cute little paper pack. I wanted to see how cute it went with the false squirrel, so I think it would be a really cute addition to your project that you are going to do with this squirrel. It's fun that you get a little extra pumpkin with it. You can use the pumpkin separately. So it's kind of like getting two shapes in one. So I was having issues getting the eyes straight, so excuse me just taking them off and putting them back on again. I don't know what my problem is putting those eyes on straight, but yeah, there I go. So I'm putting the nose on. I wanted it a little bit lower. So here's the pumpkin. The colors are a little bit different than what I wanted, but this is the cardstock I had on hand, but it gives you an idea of what it will look like. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more, and stay tuned for our next 1 minute make.